Sainte-Maxime Beach, located on the Mediterranean coast of France, is a great destination for those wishing to experience the natural beauty and relaxing atmosphere of the coast. With long stretches of smooth white sand, clear seawater and deep turquoise blue, Sainte-Maxime is one of the most popular beach destinations in France. Sainte-Maxime Beach is located in a prime location on the south coast of France, in the Provence-Alpes Côte d'Azur region. Specifically, it is located on the Saint-Tropez Peninsula, near major cities such as Nice and Cannes. This beach is located west of Sainte-Maxime, a town famous for its natural beauty and unique culture. Sainte-Maxime Beach is not only an attractive destination of natural beauty but also a vibrant tourist village with a pleasant climate and friendly people. The culture here is rich, with events and festivals taking place throughout the year, bringing a joyful and vibrant atmosphere to the community. Sainte-Maxime Beach is not only a great place to relax and enjoy the sun, but is also a diverse habitat for many animals and coral reefs. Visitors participating in activities such as scuba diving need to comply with environmental protection regulations to preserve the lives of animals and coral reefs at Sainte-Maxime Beach. On Sainte-Maxime Beach, sunlight filters through floating white clouds, creating a romantic and mysterious scene. On the smooth white sand, hot girls appear like vivid paintings painted on the beach. The girls on Sainte-Maxime Beach are not only perfect pieces of natural beauty but also symbols of the freedom and strength of modern women. Sainte-Maxime's appeal to visitors from around the world has created a strong tourism flow to France. Having a famous beach destination like Sainte-Maxime strengthens the image of France in the minds of tourists, while also opening up business and investment opportunities in the tourism industry. Attracting tourists to Sainte-Maxime also enhances cultural exchanges and exchanges between France and other countries. Visitors bring with them not only their wallets but also their understanding and respect for local culture, contributing to the diversity and richness of the community. Come explore and experience enchanting adventures on our Wandering channel. Subscribe now to not miss interesting videos about traveling, exploring culture and natural beauty around the world. Don't forget to click the register button to join the Wandering travel community today.